3 ways to delegate effectively. First off, don't abdicate. Don't just hand something off, expecting it to come back perfectly. People cannot read your mind. What you want to do is be clear and specific with your communication. And most of all, have the person repeat their understanding of your delegation. It really is the only way for you to ensure that you've communicated what you think you've communicated. Tip number 2 is to set specific deadlines. Don't tell someone you need something next week if you need it by Wednesday. Let them know you need it by Wednesday at 5 o'clock. You're way more likely to get what you want when you want. And thirdly, set check-ins, especially if it's a larger project. Have check-in times so that you can make sure that the task is on track and you can answer questions as they come up along the way. And if you want more great tips for delegation, read Donna Gennett's book called If You Want It Done Right, You Don't Have to Do It Yourself. And that's how we bridge theory to practice. I'm Laura Watson of Venture Coaching. Give it a try and follow me.